10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beginning pitch over.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
There goes Electron, launching into an all-new world with our 7th mission for Synspective. We've cleared the pad and Electron is now about 42 seconds into flight and climbing nominally in both speed and altitude, which means next up for this phase of flight will be max Q, or maximum aerodynamic pressure. The guidance, navigation and control team will give us a call once we've cleared that point in the launch, so let's listen in.
Cleared max Q.
There we go. Electron has successfully cleared max Q.
Enter it burnout detect mode.
10 seconds till staging.
MECO confirmed. Separation confirmed. Stage 2 ignition confirmed.
A beautiful sequence of events there. That was a successful MECO, state separation, and second stage ignition, all within a matter of seconds for Electron.
And up next.
Fairing jettison confirmed.
Nice one. There goes Electron's fairing, and there was the Strix satellite live on your screen,
Stage
being propelled closer and closer to orbit to join the 6 other Strix satellites already there, thanks to Electron. Now, under 6 minutes of engine run time for this second stage Rutherford to go. The mission otherwise is now past 129, just ticked 130 kilometers up in altitude and moving along at over 8,000 kilometers an hour.
Battery jettison confirmed.
Good
Confirmed.
confirmation
Hot
there from the
successful.
team in mission control. A fresh set of batteries are now in place and battery hot swap was successful.
Nominal transfer orbit achieved.